My name is Yun Liu. I teach at Trinidad Garza Early College High School. The grant I received is a Heart of Teaching grant. Thanks to the generosity of Dallas Aviation Foundation, we were able to use the grant to purchase a drone. And we went to our first aero drone competition for this season. And proudly, we brought back 2 championships.
The award we got was for Communication Mission Award. Out of the 17 teams that were there,
by competing in the aero drone competition is that we learn a lot of skills, especially for those both on the programming end and those who want to maybe pursue a career in aviation.
It was great. We scored a lot. We did our best.
our teacher, Dr. Wing, he gave us different strategies to make us have a great competition.
It's amazing. He tries to help every single one.
And he has been a great help in helping us with this drone competition. I want to say thank you to the Dallas Education Foundation for securing us our team shirts, all these resources that have been able to succeed. We're so grateful, and we couldn't have done it without you.
Because of the generosity, you made a great impact on our students' STEM education.
Thank you, Dallas Education Foundation.